how to fix Instagram not working on PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. You need to open up your browser, and then if Instagram is not working, you can go to the three dots in the top right, scroll down and head over to settings. There you'll find privacy and security. Tap on it and then tap on delete browsing data, and then you need to untick the browsing history and download history and tick the cookies and other site data and cache images and files and delete from this device. So this cookies and cache files might be the reason that Instagram is not working on your PC. And then sometimes you need to allow the third party cookies as well, so make sure that you set to allow. And then uh, on the left hand side, you can go to about Chrome, and then make sure that your Google Chrome is up to date. Sometimes if the Google Chrome is not updated, then also your Instagram might stop working. So make sure these two things are done, and I'm pretty sure this will solve your problem. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.